molasses cube, fenugreek seed, cumin seed, nutmeg, mace, cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves, salt, turmeric powder, coriander, cumin, red chili, fenugreek, mace, clove, cinnamon, black pepper, black cardamom, chopped onion, saffron, soaked milk, boiled egg, potatoes, whole. Now hot oil in a pan, fry chopped onion in it. Fry it golden in color. Continuously give a nice stir. Now go Now fried onion keep aside in a dish and fried oil keep aside. Now hot water, add egg for boiling. After boiling egg, hot water, add turmeric powder in it. Now boil potatoes for a while. After boiling potatoes, now marinate local chicken, salt, turmeric powder, molasses, 1 lemon juice, add half cup curd, now add khoa or thick milk, add fried onion or beresta, add 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, cumin seed powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, green chili paste 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, fenugreek seed powder 1 teaspoon, mace powder 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, black cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, cinnamon and clove powder 1 teaspoon, crushed cardamom 2 or 3, a pinch of cube powder. Now mix it nicely with hand. Now add spice washing water where you grind your spices. Add chopped coriander and mint leaves and add onion fried oil in it. Again mix it nicely and cover it and keep it aside. Now boil water, add bay leaves, mace, cumin seed whole, cardamom cube 1 or 2, 3, a pinch of turmeric powder, cinnamon, black pepper 1 or 2, pinch of salt, small piece of nutmeg, lemon juice. Now let it boil. Now add soaked rice. I soak it for half an hour, add in into hot water and let it cook. You can use any type of rice, flavored rice. I use basmati rice. Now add little bit of onion fried oil in it. Now hot a pan, add cardamom whole, cinnamon 1 piece and little bit of cumin seed. Add marinated chicken in it. Give a nice stir. Add 1/4 boiled rice in it. Add boiled potatoes, curd and all the spices. Spread it. Now add fried onion, chopped coriander and mint leaves. Add on fried onion oil. Spread it all the parts. Cook it in low flame. Add saffron soaked milk in it. Now add rest of rice and spread it. Now again add all the powdered spices in it like cardamom, cinnamon, coriander, nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, cube, black pepper, etc. Now add little bit of salt. Now add fried onion on the top. Now spread chopped coriander and mint leaves on it. Now add again soaked saffron milk and add fried onion oil. Now cover it with a lid. After 10 to 15 minutes, cook it. Open the lid and serve it hot.